I'm assuming you all already know these knives are pieces of shit. Oh, that's going to be useful in this review. My completely unbiased review coming up next. So I went out and bought a 17-piece Farberware set. I'm not that experienced with them, so I wanted to go out and get them and try them out and test them out and play around with them. There's really no reason. Normally a knife review I do here, I'll talk about the knife, then I'll show you how I sharpen it. There's no reason to sharpen this knife. These knives are not the greatest knives in the world, but they do have a place in our society, and we'll talk about that in a minute. The 17-piece knife set Farberware makes, you get 2 pairs of scissors, a honing steel, a cutting board, a knife block, and a whole bunch of knives for $44. For $44, a couple bucks a knife, you're basically getting junk, and you should know that. Now, of course you do. If you watch my channel, you know you're getting junk. However, there is a place. You're sending a kid off to college, you really don't care about what's going to happen to your knives, because knives can be very expensive. You buy them these knives. If they come back great, you can throw them away yourself. If not, they'll destroy them, and you don't have to worry about them again. First apartment, things like that. You need crappy knives because you know that no one's going to take care of them. This is the knife set you want. $44 does not buy you much, though, I will tell you that. They're stamped knives. My contention is they're not tempered at all, but we're going to try that out a little bit later. They're stamped knives. They don't hold an edge for anything. They're very thick bladed knives. The design of the knife itself is terrible. The handles are horrible. Everything about these knives are terrible, but like I said, they have a place in our society, and that's why they sell so many of them. This is not a knife set you would have as a middle-aged person. These are not the knives I'm going to have in my home. And everyone should understand that. These are a starter set. So, my contention is that they are not tempered at all. They will never hold an edge. Somebody met me at the trailer the other day when I was sharpening stuff. We all got into a conversation about this. They bet me that they are tempered, so we're going to do a little break test on them to see. I told him that I think that they will bend all the way around. I can literally make a loop out of them. He said no, that they will definitely break. I've never, ever been wrong in my life. So let's see who wins.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some queen bee too. Macy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
Really and truly, that video should be deleted because, once again, never been wrong. However, this time, we'll just say I wasn't right. So yeah, they are slightly tempered, which is shocking to me. Really, we know what these knives are for. So, I've got a video coming up here shortly. I'll link it here. It's going to be the top 5 best knives on a budget. Check that out. These are not going to be in there, I'm sorry. Also, it comes with a cutting board, which is very hard. It's a plastic cutting board. Once again, I have a video talking about cutting boards. I'll link it right here. Take a look at both of those, get an idea of what you're dealing with, and if for some reason you want to buy a knife set for your kids or your home or things like that, that video, the top 5 on a budget knives, will be the right video to watch. I'm not going to steer you wrong, trust me on that. However, on these knives, everybody would be steered wrong on these knives. Never buy these knives. Completely stay away from these knives. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time as your humble knife sharpener.
It's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you.